East leads out the king of clubs, and North is thinking to themselves, well, I'm in 4 hearts. I can have 3 losers. I'm counting losers from North's hand, but let me see what could go wrong. All right, I'm going to start the clock. You guys check it out. Try to figure out what could go wrong in this hand on the king of clubs lead. All right, so what's going on? I would be asking myself, what the king of clubs looks like it's from king queen because it's a suit lead. And so I potentially have 2 club losers. And I've got a diamond finesse there. And Murphy's Law tells us that West is going to have the king of diamonds. And I've got to lose the ace of spades. So I have a club problem. So let's say it goes king of clubs, and we play low from the dummy. And the first obstacle I see is freezing the club suit. Let's say it goes king of clubs by East, and then we play low from dummy, and West plays the 2 of clubs. Okay, playing standard signal saying I don't have touching honors. If we duck now and leave East on lead, they can't continue clubs. They can't continue the clubs because then the club suit would go right into the ace jack of clubs. Right? So we freeze the suit by ducking at trick 1. So let's say we duck at trick 1 and East returns a diamond through our ace queen. Well, ultimately, I've got enough tricks for my contract, right? If we count winners, let's say we have 2 spade winners once the ace of spades is gone. 5 heart winners, clearly, those are all big, is 7. The ace of clubs is 8. And the ace of diamonds is 9. And then ultimately, we're going to get another diamond trick. But it's a timing thing. We have to get our spades set up before East gets their clubs set up. So if we duck the king of clubs at trick 1 and a diamond comes through our ace queen, we have to realize that we can't let West on lead to lead through our remaining ace jack, because then East gets in with the ace of spades and their clubs are ready to go. So at trick 1, we duck the club, and at trick 2, we win the ace of diamonds. So let's look at the whole hand. Sure enough, West has the king of diamonds, and there's the king queen of clubs we placed in East hand, right? We knew that. King of clubs lead, and we work out to freeze the suit by playing low at trick 1. And now see what I mean by East can't continue clubs. They can't get their club tricks, right? So that gives us some time. And now East is on lead, and they're looking at the spades, and they're looking at the hearts, and they're thinking, well, if partner has the king of diamonds, and I can get West in with the king of diamonds to lead through North's ace jack, then I can get my diamond set up. So East switches to the 2 of diamonds at trick 2, and that's where we got to be paying attention. If we play the queen of diamonds, take the finesse, and West wins the king of diamonds and goes back to clubs, when the defenders are in with the ace of spades, they end up taking the king of diamonds, the ace of spades, and 2 club winners, because the ace jack of clubs gets led through. So we have to keep West off lead. That's our ultimate goal. That's why we ducked the king of clubs, and why at trick 2 we have to go up with the ace of diamonds, right? Pull a couple of rounds of trump. Let's just take care of trump. There's no reason not to. And then go about knocking out our diamond and our spade.